Hi, today we've got Astoria II, house 5689. This is one of our inventory homes ready for sale. And I'm gonna give you a quick view around of, there's your dining area. This is a half wall actually that you're seeing in front of you. And we'll pan around over to the living room. Got some really nice windows here and a super nice front door. So we'll walk you around this house and get a little tour of this home. Let's see. This one has really great cabinets inside here with roll-away trays. So roll-away trays. And we turn around into the kitchen. And here we've got super deep drawers. Well, I just had these all open for you. This here is a trash can area. And in here we have the pantry. Go. Let's turn on the light in our pantry. This one's got wood shelves inside of it. Got plenty of room in this pantry. This one's got really nice tile. Again, this is the Astoria II. It's for sale right now. You can grab it. It's got the promo on it that we've been advertising. All right, I just take a walk around. So here, just off the kitchen, is another in between the bedrooms. Another little closet. It's in between the bedrooms. You could use that as a pantry or linen. It's got nice bifold doors in this one. Some nice shelves. This one has our Craftsman trim. So it's Craftsman trim up above and Craftsman trim down below, so it's really thick and nice. Today we will be shooting all of them. It's going to be periodic for the next 3 hours or so that these pop up so that you can see these videos of these homes. They will be still on our Facebook page, so you can watch them afterwards. And if you're watching this one, we'll have many more. Just check our Facebook page for all the other ones. It's a nice cubby inside this one. This is your second bath. It's got great linen space. And your bathtub. This is another little bedroom. Again, bifold doors. This one actually has some shelves in this closet. I'm sorry, not this closet, in this bedroom. You have some extra shelving. Okay, this is your half wall. Again, this one's got village glass on the front door. It's super, super nice. It's a Craftsman front door. You can call 1-888-832-5664. go on to wardcraft.com. You'll see all of our information on this one. As of Thursday, all of the photos of this one will be published. Probably Thursday late in the day. All the still photos of this will be published. This would be what's above your bed. Super nice. 3 windows. Again, this is our Craftsman trim. These are our standard faucets, standard sinks, which are super nice. Moen faucets, Kichler lighting. This is a standard shower. You can of course upgrade this to Onyx if you want to build your own custom home. We'll walk into the closet. You have to excuse us, we have to put some of our building materials somewhere, and today it's in this closet. It's a great spot for shoes, sweaters. All right, I'll try to shoot this vanity. This would be your master bathroom, double vanity. You got a great linen shelf. Again, Kichler lighting, Moen faucets. And this is the Astoria II. If you're interested, give us a call. Wardcraft.com. And again, we'll be shooting more all day in the next few hours. Probably take me a little while to get to the next home. Probably about 30 minutes at least before we're live again. I just want to show you again these little roll-out trays. These are actually in each one of these cabinets. Look at all that space you've got. That is great. It's in each one. You've got roll-out trays. These can of course be put in any home. These are soft closed doors on these cabinets too. Down here we have the same thing with the roll-out trays. Right there. And this is a great little spot for pans, etc. Right where your oven's gonna go. All right, Astoria II inventory home.